important topic of StatPro, that is the design and modeling of industrial warehouses. Industrial warehouses are used in steel plants. So today we're gonna show how to design warehouses in StatPro V8. So it's a kind of detailed procedure, modeling, detail, and analysis including. So where we'll go to the new project, click on space, and we will select here as design of industrial warehouse. Meter and kilonewton will be the units. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to change the grid settings. So I'm going to the edit option. So you can see in right value we will shift it to 16 as per our design requirement. This is a very simple and easy method you won't have seen earlier in any other tutorials, and you will see how to design industrial warehouse. Very easily and simple method it is. So I will shift it here, and I will, the height of is 7 meter. We have done this. Now select these two beams, right click, insert node, and endpoints, click on 5. OK. Now select the whole structure by pressing Ctrl plus A. There's a shortcut StatPro V8 to select the whole structure. Go to the geometry, transition repeat, global direction will be Z. Number of steps I want 8. Default step spacing between each structure is 5. Link step and open base we want, you see. Now go to the top view, select this, go to the new view, and I will create braces on every alternate click on whole structure. See, this part is created now on the in this other hand. For the new view, click OK. Now click on add beam. Display all structure. See, this part is also done. Now we have to make on the taper type sections. So go to the top view, on the front view, or simply go to the select beam parallel to Z. Now go to the new view. I will go to the again option, that is add beam option. You can see from the top it is done. Now display all structure. The modeling part, this is a design of industrial warehouse, that is of total steel plant. You can see in mechanical plants this warehouse is available everywhere. The parts are manufactured, industrial warehouse are used in that particular sections. So this is the modeling part we have done from this. Now we're gonna make groups for assigning the properties, so it will be easy to assign property instead of selecting one by one members. So go to the tool, create new group, name as columns, select type will be beam, click OK. Now go to the select beam parallel to Y, associate to view, click on associate. Now for the beams, select beam, click OK. Now for these braces, left and right braces, so we'll name as LR braces. What we're gonna do is this and rotate it. And associate. Now on the upper part, create. Hit the select very carefully. Now taper types. Taper type. So all the groups has been defined. Now is to assign the properties. We'll use Mexican codes, channel section, these two sections, and one OC pipes. Assign this property, select by group name, columns, assign to selected beams. So this property has been assigned. Now for beams, I will select this. For this I will select taper type, but you see I wanted this only, but it's selecting all this. So taper type only assigned to selected beams. Now OC is for I'm selecting the upper braces. Define more section. This is for this. See, all the properties has been assigned. Now we'll go to the isometric view, that is a 3D rendered view. You see, this is the industrial warehouse in StratPro V8i. Now I'll go to the support, create fixed type of support. Now to apply the load and definition, go to the load case detail, select dead load, then live load, then wind load. Dead load, I will select a self weight that will be assigned to view only. In live load, following that, I will change it the input units to meter and kilogram. For applying this load to the nodal, I will go to the front view, select the nodes, upper nodes. Now for applying wind load, I will go to the definitions, wind load, add, putting our intensity of value 100 and height will be 7. I'm taking as now I'm going to the wind, selecting the wind load 0 to 7. Or I can change this from 5 to 7 or 6 to 7, whatever you want, where you want, 4 to 7. And I will combine these loads, define combination, go to the analysis print, select all, click OK. Then I will go to the analyze, run analysis. post processing, results, view value, beam results, maximum results, annotate, select beam parallel to Y, then view selected object only. You see the maximum, displacement, the reaction of columns, the bending moments, the graphs, see the animation if you want to see. When wind will come, see some parts of it moving. Node values. So this is the way we design industrial warehouse, that is the steel plant in StatPro VTI, and how the dead and live and wind load are applied on industrial warehouse that is of steel type. If you have any queries regarding this tutorial, post your comment as your queries and share as much as you can with your friends who are civil engineer. I hope you have learned this is very important topic and required in industrial civil core companies to draw and modeling analysis of industrial steel plant or warehouses. The reactions you can see for the summary. We'll go to the results, animation, this is the 3D part. So this is the way we design industrial warehouse in StatPro VTI. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Do this